everyone, welcome back. It's time for small group. So today for small group we're going to do an activity called Which Has More. So in this activity you are going to compare objects. We're going to use muffins for this, but you can use an egg carton. You can use bags to put your objects in, different bags. You could use any type, like you could use a cup. I'm using clear containers because then you can see them better. And then you can use any objects you have at home. The egg cartons will help you check your work to see if you're right when you compare the objects. So the objective for this small group uses numbered concepts and operations. So we are going to be working with numbers and comparing them. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. So I have different amounts of muffins in these containers. So we are going to compare two at a time to see which one has more, and then we can also do which one has the same amount. All right, so let's compare. Let's look at all of them and see which one do you think has the least, if you can tell by looking. Which one do you think has the least? That means not that many. The blue looks like it doesn't have very many. If I take the blue away, which is the next one that looks like it has the least? We'll do something that is very close and then check our work. What's the next one, do you think? Is a small number. Maybe the purple. We'll do the blue and the purple. Okay, so let me take these away. All right, so now I'm going to check my work because we use our eyes to compare, but now I'm going to check my work to see if I was right. So I'm going to put these muffins in each one of these circles. Count with me. 1, 2. I'm going to find my number 2 and I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to put these muffins in this tin. Now you can use egg cartons to do this, or ice cube trays is another good one. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me put my number 3 out. So this one has 2 and this one has 3. I lift them up, you can see which one has more. Which one has more? The red or the blue? If you said the blue, the purple, number 3, yes, it does have more. There are more purple muffins than blue muffins because 3 is more than 2. Good, let's compare another container. Put those back. And then we'll compare orange and red. Okay, so if you look at them, which one do you think has more? The orange or the red? Can you see that? If you said red, I think you're right. It's hard to see, but let's check our work, okay? So let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5. Let's put the number 5 in front. Okay, so this one has 5. Now let's put these in the blue. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's take a look. Oh, we forgot to put our number 4. Okay, so the red one had 5 and the blue one had 4. Which one has more? Were we right? Yes, we were right. There are more red muffins than there are orange muffins because 5 is more than 4. Great job. All right, now we are going to do another one. I'm going to do purple and green now. You ready? Okay, so look at the containers. Predict which one you think has more with your eyes. Compare with your eyes first. Do you think there's more green or more purple muffins? You see? I think green too. Let's check our work. You ready? Count with me. We'll do purple first. 1, 2, 3. 3 purple muffins. Let's count the green now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green muffins. And there are 6 circles, so it is full now. Let's put the number 6 out there. Okay, so let's compare them. This one had 3, and this one had 6. Which one do you think has more? Were you right when you predicted with your eyes which one had more? Yes. If you said green had more, you're right, because 6 is more than 3. Great job. Okay, so we've done all of our which one has more activities, but now I want you to tell me we're going to do which one has fewer. That means a smaller amount, okay? So look at these 2 containers. Which one do you think has fewer or less? If you said purple, I think you might be right, but let's check our work, okay? Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one had 2, and this one had, do you remember? 4. Okay, so now, we're not talking about more this time. We're going to talk about fewer, which is less. Which one has less or fewer? Look at the trays. Which one looks like it's less? You said the purple. You're right. Because 2 is less than 4. Right? If you only have 2 muffins, that's not as many as 4. Great job. Okay, so let's do a different one this time. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Okay, so now here we go. Now I want you to look at these containers. We have purple muffins, we have green muffins. We're going to compare them. What do you think when you look at them? Do you think there's more in one or the other? Or less in one or the other? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Now the green. 1, 2, 3. This one had 3, and this one had 3. Does one have more than the other? Let's look. Does one have more? Or does one have less than the other? No. These are the same. They have the same amount. They both have 3 in them. So that is the same or equal to the same number, 3 and 3. Okay, friends, so you can use anything you have at home to compare and put in bags, and you can make predictions which one you see with your eyes that have more or fewer or the same. And then you can check your work by putting them in each individual container to be able to see and compare. Great job, friends. We'll see you soon. Bye.